Hello! Guess what? I bought more tarot cards.
This lady.
The 5-cent tarot. It's really new. It's already like almost sold out from what I could see. And it comes with a little bag. I got to choose if I wanted green or red.
Doesn't come in the Crown Royal purple.
No, unfortunately not Crown Royal purple. That would be cool. So, 5-cent tarot.
Ooh, you can
Look at
see
that
the reflection.
That is so weird. Because that is the person holding up. That's really weird.
Ooh, it's like one of those continuums.
Okay. Past, present, future. Madam Clara sees all. So you could also pick a lighter green or a darker green card. And then if you wanted the edges to be white or dark green or light green.
So is this a Kickstarter kind of thing? Or?
Yeah, I think that it kind of just became available. I got it on Etsy.
Okay.
But yeah, it was kind of just become available and like all the choices weren't available. Not all of the choices were available anymore. But I think I got dark green and dark green.
It's a pretty box.
Yeah, the box is great.
Ooh, ask the cards.
Magnetic.
Show them the end. Yeah.
Ask the cards.
Very nice. I like a good box.
Fate, destiny, fortune.
It's very vintagey looking already.
Yes.
Ooh.
We've got our little booklet. And this was created by whimsical deck loosely inspired by Victorian era poster art.
Ooh, I'm gonna like that.
Images. Madam Clara is who made this. Okay. And it looks like we're going to have something. We're going to have matches, needles, cups, and buttons.
I wonder if the 5 cent is a throwback to like tarot readings of Victorian era, like 5 cents to get your tarot read or something.
That makes sense.
Just a thought. We don't have to find out right now. Or I can look and you get up into the box.
So yeah, I got the dark green edges and the dark green cards. So some of them were like kind of off-white, but still had the green design on it. You could get white sides, and I think at some point they had another green you could put on the side, but they didn't have that anymore. So I just said, just make them really green. Just make everything green. Okay, so these cards have words that read right side up or upside down. So it's the Ace of Matches. We've got opportunity and potential, and then upside down, distraction, delay, hesitation. So,
and I did notice, I don't know if you, in the book, I think there are some extra major arcana cards.
I think there is some extra cards, so I'm not going to flip all of these. 3 of Matches. I'm not sure if they're all animals or what.
It's said in here that there are no humans, that they're all flora, fauna, or animals.
Okay.
I did read.
There's my bees, baby. We've got ants.
As I shake the box. I wanted to read about what she said. She made it conscious. I can't get the book back out of the box.
6 of Matches.
So matches are wands, right?
Yes. 7 of Matches.
It is a bit reminiscent of the anatomy deck in the way
8
that
of
it's styled, I think.
Yes. Kind of like simple imagery. 9 of Matches. 10 of Matches.
She does say in here that she sometimes makes specific reference to specific plants and flora. When she has those in there, she will usually tell you why she chose the animal or the flora.
Nice. got our our page of matches. Knight of matches, which is like a chess piece. Queen of matches. Seeing a lot of insects with the matches.
Which makes sense, I guess. Insects attracted to fire and light.
True. And busy.
Ooh, that's pretty.
King of matches.
That's very pretty.
Now we're cups. Ace of cups. Teacups. Two of cups. We've got water creatures now. Three of cups. An octopus. Now some flying fish. Four of cups is a crab. Five of cups. Is that like a little shrimp or something in an umbrella?
Or is it
Six
meant
of
to be
cups.
sort of a hermity crab type creature
Oh, maybe.
in a shell?
Yeah.
But it's an umbrella as the shell.
The Six of Cups kind of looks like an old picture of a dolphin before they quite got it right.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. This one does too, like a hermit crab now living in the cup. And
Yeah, I think
abandonment, escapism, withdrawal versus walking away, fear of loss and avoidance. Nine of Cups.
So last time that we did a deck that had a reversal type of situation, it was images that were different on the top and bottom, and somebody had suggested that as a deck for reading reversals, and we were like, I don't really think
really
it would
hard,
be.
yeah.
But this one
Yes.
with the suggestions might be a good reversal.
10 of Cups. But again, kind of, the pictures aren't anything like the Rider-Waite-Smith, so...
No, but if you were
Kind of like-
particularly thinking, what are some creative ways I can think about reversals?
Right. Or you've kind of got the right side up pretty down, but you want
Some like word stems.
Knight of Cups.
Oh, the seahorse.
Queen
Oh,
of Cups.
I like the flamingo.
Show me some of that Spanish dancing. King of Cups.
Looks like a guppy.
Now we're doing needles.
So needles is swords.
So we've got matches, teacups, needles, all very like
Victorian.
domestic things that would have been around in a seance of Victorian ladies. Two of needles. Three of needles. So it's like a fly or something. Or a moth.
I want to see.
Four of needles. That's really cute.
Wow. It's interesting that optimism is one of these, but I guess it's for the reverse. Sorry, for the three of needles.
Huh. Five of needles. Six of needles. Frog.
Mm.
Seven of needles. Raccoon. Eight of needles. Like a mole or something?
The raccoon fits for the 7 because of the bandit aspect.
Nine of needles.
Is that a bear or a sloth?
It's a sloth. 10 of needles. Well, of course it's got to be a porcupine if it's 10 of needles.
Ooh, I like this
Our
one.
page of needles is
Like a
a
rooster.
chicken. Oh, I love it. Knight of needles, which is a seahorse. Queen of needles.
Is it supposed to be dodo
The
bird?
seagull. I think it's another sea kind of bird. Yeah, because we're getting back into
Sea creatures.
Yeah, King of needles. A swordfish.
Swordfish,
There you
yeah,
go.
that makes sense.
And then buttons. So we've got ace of buttons.
So buttons is supposed to be pentacles.
Yes. 2 of buttons. 3 of buttons. So we've got sea creatures in like almost all of them. So it's not just cups. 4 of buttons, like a lemur. 5 of buttons. 6 of buttons. It's really pretty. 7 of buttons.
Ooh,
8 of
that's
buttons,
cool.
like a
Sword
shark, like a
hammerhead. I wonder if sea exploration was maybe like a pretty new kind of sensationalized thing in Victorian era, like the
That's true.
submarine and the steamships and stuff.
The 9 of buttons has a corkscrew. Wine, baby. 10 of buttons.
Did you say wine?
Yes, I did. Drinking on the job. Page of buttons. Are we getting seahorses for all the nets?
I think so, except you said the first one was a chess piece looking.
Yeah.
But I kind of missed that one, so maybe I'll go back and...
Queen of buttons is a kangaroo. She's cute.
Yeah, our match was a more of a chess piece, but ooh, I messed up your order. All the other ones were seahorses. Sorry. You're gonna have to shuffle it eventually.
That's all right.
Anyways.
King of buttons. Alright, so they started with our... Now we're into the major arcana. So we've got the Fool. Ooh, the Magician.
Makes sense as a spider, I think.
Mm-hmm. High
Classic.
Priestess as an owl, of course. Yeah. The Empress as a butterfly. I like that. The Emperor. We've got an Emperor Penguin. Hierophant.
It's a praying mantis.
Like a praying mantis, yeah. The Lovers. So this is like got an Adam and Eve feel with the snake and the apple.
Definitely.
The Chariot. Is that jackalopes? Are they real?
I don't think so.
Okay. Strength is a seal. The Hermit, maybe catfish,
Is it a catfish?
some kind of fish.
Interesting.
Is he being
Seems
caught?
to be a catfish.
The Wheel of Fortune. Got some monkeys on a wheel. This is circusy.
There's some circusy stuff. Which Victorian era?
Mm-hmm. And the Justice is a crow. I like that.
Oh, I love
The
bats.
Hanged Man. Yes, bats are great. This is one of the ones that you
Drew
could
you.
see before, yeah, and you could one of the main ones that were shown on the website that you could. Death. Temperance. We've got a turtle.
And a
Butterfly on
butterfly.
The Devil. Scarab.
Yeah, some kind of beetle.
The Tower is like a bunch of turtles.
That's cute.
The Star has shoes on.
Oh, but it's a starfish with shoes on.
Yes. The Moon.
That's probably one of the more actually traditional with the dogs and the moon ones of the deck.
The Sun.
Is the frog on top of a horse?
It's like a lizard, I think. Like a
Oh, it's an iguana.
iguana. There we go.
Kind.
Judgment. The World. Now we've got our extras here. We've got the Unknown.
Represents the mystery of the unknown, as best represented by the unhatched egg, revealing. They aren't revealing their full beauty just yet. Kind of
We've
reminds
got
me.
Divine Faith. openness, curiosity, and then when it's reversed, egotism. A word I don't know. Reticence. Shilling?
I have no idea what that
Shielding.
means. Oh, shield.
It says
The text is difficult to read. It does look like it says
the
shilling.
D looks like a.
It was very
shielding.
confusing.
We can read. The Beyond.
This card is about the soul as represented by the bones of the majestic winged creature. The bigger picture, the grand existence.
Yeah, we've got the soul, higher being, belief, and then mistrust, doubt, and apathy. The universe.
This card is about infinite growth on a higher level as represented by the remarkably perfect mathematics of the Nautilus.
So how is
They
this? I
seem
see kind of
similar.
as the world, right?
And I think the unknown seems like the moon to me.
Yeah.
So
see
I don't
that.
know.
And the what was the first one with the egg? Like a fool, basically.
The egg, yeah, well, the egg reminds me of the idea of the pregnant zero. Like, out of nothing, anything can spring, so.
And then we've got the messenger, which is a really pretty card.
And the messenger speaks of the present of our spirit guides and the messages they specifically try to deliver us. It's about our guardian angels, so it's got a little bit of the
divine signs.
And it is, I did read in the Beyond as well, she does say it's calls us to seek a higher power. So maybe these are kind of more cards you could choose to use if that's something that you
right
subscribe to within your practice.
They kind of have maybe an oracle deck feel.
Yeah.
Adding a couple oracle deck cards to a tarot deck, which makes sense. So yeah, that was the 5-cent tarot by Madam Clara. Definitely very pretty. And really good quality, nice and thick.
Oh yeah, they are really lovely quality.
Yeah.
Our videos start and end the same way every time, I feel like.
Alright, so shall we cheers since we're both drinking?
Cheers.
Cheers.
It is
I don't get paid by White Claw.
It is 6 o'clock.
But
right
White Claw,
now,
if you
so.
want to pay me to drink and put
It's
you on our
6
videos.
in the evening, not 6 in the morning, so.
Totally fine. Pound it.